A for apple, we eat in the morning. B for ball, we like to play. C for cat, soft and small. D for dog, barking all day. E for elephant, big and strong. F for fish, swimming along. G for grapes, purple and round. H for hat, we wear on our head. I for ice cream, cold and sweet. J for jump, up on your feet. K for kite, flying high. L for lion, king of the sky. M for mango, juicy and bright. N for nest, where birds sleep at night. O for orange, round and sweet. P for pencil, we use to write. Q for queen, wearing her crown. R for rainbow, colors all around. S for sun, shining bright. T for tree, reaching high in height. U for umbrella, open in rain. V for violin, music we gain. W for water, drink every day. X for xylophone, we love to play. Y for yo-yo, up and down. Z for zebra, stripes all around.